Welcome to a season of warmth and peace. It's a time for merry hearts and bright smiles, where the wonder of the season transforms ordinary moments and weaves joy into the tapestry of our memories. In this season of giving, the greatest gift remains the company of those we hold dear. Amongst fragrant pine, the harmony of carols, and the taste of homemade treats, we want to take a moment to say, thank you for all of your support and encouragement. From our families to yours, may this season fill your home with laughter, your heart with love, and your spirit with the joyous wonder that the holidays bring.